Hey, Facebook and YouTube, it's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and I'm in the our rug cleaning station here today, cleaning up a little bit of an area rug. This here is going to be a wool, pretty lightweight area rug that we're going to be cleaning up. And so what we're going to do is try to get as much of the debris off of it as possible. And then we're going to give it a really good heavy rinse using the Rug Smack by Truck Mount Forums. This is an excellent rug cleaner. So it is wool safe. You can mix it up and use it so it's extremely wool safe. And get this thing, any of the odors and anything that might be in there, contaminants and everything out of there. And of course, we're going to rinse it real well just to make sure that it gets thoroughly cleaned. We're going to be rinsing both sides, front and back. Going over what we're actually going to be doing. As you can see, there's an array of equipment required to adequately go through and clean up area rugs. This here is a rug badger, and the rug badger is basically a dusting system for cleaning area rugs. So as you can see, this thing is just loaded with dust and debris and all kinds of stuff. So upon doing a quick thorough vacuum using our Kirby, adjusting the height to get this maximum airflow and all that good stuff going there, and getting as much of that loose stuff off the surface, we are then going to be using this rug badger. This is actually the Cub version. I mean, they make a giant, huge commercial style one as well, except that we're not doing like huge high quantity area rugs. This is more or less for you guys who are doing your garage style area rug cleaning, or you have a little room, which is basically what I got here, a little room that I have dedicated to area rugs. So this piece of equipment, because I'm not doing high quantity, I probably only do maybe 5 rugs a week. I'm not huge in area rugs, but enough that if I grow, at least I have equipment to invest, to start investing in some larger, bigger equipment if needed. So first step, like I mentioned, is to go through with the vacuuming. Then we dust everything out real well. Basically what this does is it beats on the carpeting, and you see this matted grid that's on the ground here. So as it's beating down on this rug, it's basically knocking the debris out that's sandwiched between the front and back surfaces down into throughout the holes in the grid system, and just kind of knocks that dirt out. Then we go back over and give everything a good vacuum one more time. Then we move over and we use our Rug Smack cleaning solution, which is going to be pH safe and everything, and ideal for the cotton area rug, or the wool area rug that we're going to be cleaning up. And make sure that gets very thoroughly applied very adequately. And then this is a very lightweight, so I'm going to play around. I do have some like clips that I can clip this down onto the matting here. They're around somewhere. I'll find them. We'll either take the CRB to it. Judging by what I felt with the area rug there, I don't think it's going to pull up much of any hair, from the wool or anything like that. However, we do have this nap setter here that we can use for agitation purposes, just to help get the cleaning solution all agitated in and throughout the area rug. After that process is complete, and as it is dwelling with the chemical inside the rug, we're going to go ahead and run our hoses and lines in from the truck, fire that bad boy up, get the water to about 180 to 190 degrees right in there. Wool safe temperature is not going to cause any problems, and we're going to make sure that we rinse the heck out of this thing. And then upon a good rinse, front and back and all that, we're going to use our nap setter to make sure that we get this thing laying real flat. As you can see, it's already kind of crinkled and rolled up, and it might be a little bit of a challenge to get it to lay flat so we can work on it. But that's one thing with wool, is when it does get wet, you want to make sure that you get everything as flat and wrinkles rolled out as much as possible while the wool is still wet and the fibers are still wet and damp and pliable, because once they dry, they either can cause some shrinking or rolling, and then you're left fighting with it. So this shouldn't be any difficult to get this thing laid back out properly. And then once it is, it'll look extremely bright and vibrant and beautiful once again.